So, chapter number first, Indian economy on the eve of independence 1947. In 15 August 1947, we discuss first kind of Indian economy and what is the features of the Indian economy in 1947. Because with the help of the 1947 and 2020, we do the comparative study how much there is a change. So one by one we discuss what is the position of the agriculture sector at the time of the independence and industrial sector at the time of independence, and what kind of the foreign trade. In foreign trade we discuss what is the size, direction and composition of foreign trade at the time of independence. Then profile demographic profile means how much there is the death rate, birth rate, life expectancy, infant infant mortality rate, and maternal mortality rate. So these are some point which we discuss in the demographic profile, and after that we discuss what type of the occupational structure. In occupational structure we discuss how many percentage of population doing job in the primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector, which we discuss here, and discuss about the infrastructure. Infrastructure means how much there is the roads, railway, education institution, medical facility. So these are the some point which we discuss here, and after that we discuss there is the some positive impact of British rule in India. So this is the complete chapter. One by one we discuss. So first of all we discuss what type of the Indian economy at the time of the independence. So we discuss Indian economy at the time of independence. The sole purpose of the British colonial rule in India was to reduce the country to being a raw material supplier. So it's been Indian economy supplier of the raw material, not make the finished goods. We are depend on Britishers for goods and services. We are good good exporter, but only exporter of raw material. It is not better sign for Indian economy. So these are the some brief description of the Indian economy at the time of independence. So one by one we discuss what type of the agriculture sector. So here we discuss what is the position of the agriculture sector. So what is the features of the agriculture sector? In agriculture sector, first features of the agriculture sector is low productivity. Low productivity means when we do the comparative study of the other nation, per hectare production is low comparative than other nation. So due to due to lack of technological development and due to due to lack of irrigation facilities. So, and there is no use of fertilizer and other pesticides. The second, there is difference between the owner of the soil and tillers of the soil. So this is the one another reason there is a low productivity and low productivity. Second point, which is related to the high cost involved in agriculture sector. Due to exploitation of the owner of the soil, condition of tillers are not good. Tillers are not good. Lack of means of irrigation facility, small and fragmented. Fragmented means छोटे छोटे भागों में जमीन का बटा होना. So fragmented land holding. So these are the some reason. Small खेत in agriculture sector, land is fragmented into small parts. This is called the subdivision of land holding. subdivision of the land holding. What is the causes of stagnation? Stagnation and backwardness of Indian agriculture. So, first reason due to land revenue system. Second, commercialization in agriculture sector. Impact of partition on agriculture because Pakistan divide into East and West, which now Bangladesh low investment in agriculture, low investment in agriculture sector. So these are the some reasons. So that's why agriculture sector is lagging behind and it is a stagnant. Stagnant means any type of the movement is not there. Backward means it is not better because there is no change. Land revenue system is not good due to the commercialization of the agriculture sector. Impact of the partition is also impact on agriculture sector. Low investment in agriculture sector. So these are the some reason. That's why the agriculture sector is not developed at the time of independence, and near about 72.7% population doing job. So majority of the population depend on agriculture. So these are the some reason and what is the condition of the agriculture sector in this lecture we discuss. Thank you.